Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage SIM pin on iPhone 16. To manage the SIM pin, go to Settings, then go to Mobile Service, SIM pin, and now you can either enable the SIM pin. To enable it, turn on the switch, then enter the pin that was previously set on your SIM or the default pin. You can change the pin by clicking on Change Pin, then first enter the current pin, then enter the new pin and confirm the new pin. And you can also disable SIM pin by disabling this switch, then entering the current SIM pin. And you can see it's disabled. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.